How to get Facebook Marketplace access. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. Start by heading over to your application Facebook, enter your login credential and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, you should see the option of Marketplace at the bottom. If you couldn't find it here, then move into Menu. Right here, you can also see the option of Marketplace. You can simply click on it and then move into it. Once you're in this page, tap on this person icon at the top. If you haven't created your account, then you need to create one. Once you've created the account, next thing you want to do is go back and move into the items that you would like to buy. You can also search for it in the search bar. Similarly, if you want to sell your product, then tap on Sell at the top left corner and then click on Create Listing. From here, select the specific option. Now in this page, you need to upload your product photo and then enter the title, price, category, condition, description, and also mention your location. Once done, click on Publish at the top right corner. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.